Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. Tonight I'm going to do a metallic gold pearl pour using extreme sheen 24 karat gold. I saw Julie Cutt do it on her channel. It looked pretty neat, so I thought I would give it a try. Hopefully everything works out right. Anyway, so I'm going to pour the gold circle on the outer side, and then I'm going to do a ring pour in the center of it and stretch it out. My paints are 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then my gold is actually 1 part paint to 1.5 parts Floetrol. Anyway, if anybody has any ideas or wants me to try something, just let me know, comment or something. But anyway, I'm gonna do the ring pour and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I'm going to torture it a little bit more to hopefully get some more cells to pop up. I did get the effect that I did want. I just wish that I had gotten more cells. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And this is pretty much the result of letting it sit for a little while. I did do it on a smaller scale on a tile just to see. I mean, it was my leftover paint, so I just wanted to see if it'd work on a tile. And it did, for the most part. So hopefully I'll probably do a coaster set afterwards. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.